This is Matt with Heritage Tractor. I'm going to show you how to add a grain cart as your implement on your tractor. From your home screen, you'll go to Setup. You'll select Equipment. I already have one set up, but we'll make a new one. So we're going to go to Add Implement. Add Implement. Now, with a recent software update, Deere added a database full of different implements that you could select from. So we're going to enter the name. It's a Brent Auger Wagon. We're going to just select one of these, grain cart. Next. You'll see that it's pre-populated, that it's a grain cart, that the operation is harvesting. The working width is 15, work recording trigger manual, connection type drawbar. We'll save that. Then you'll see over on the work summary, we can change our crop type to whatever we're harvesting. Variety, if you wanted to see the variety that the combine's harvesting. And then harvest units. If you have infield data sharing turned on, you can see what the combine is harvesting and the bushels through the shared work totals page. So that's how you set up an auger cart on a tractor, and you'll see the cart there.